Stop searching for your next laptop, because everything you've been told about the MacBook Pro is a lie. You might be planning to buy the upcoming M5 model, thinking it's the latest and greatest, but a massive slip-up in the supply chain just proved that the machine you're about to buy is already obsolete before it even hits the shelves. While every major tech analyst and high-profile leaker has been pointing to 2027 as the year of the big upgrade, the evidence now shows that Apple is pulling the timeline forward in a desperate move to stay ahead. The dream machine we have all been waiting for, the radically redesigned M6 MacBook Pro, is not years away. It is actually entering mass production right now. We have 6 smoking guns that prove an early launch is happening. And it all starts with a secret code name and a massive mistake by Samsung that has sent shockwaves through the tech world. Apple doesn't actually build their own screens. They rely on Samsung Display to do the heavy lifting for their high-end panels. Usually, production follows a very strict and predictable schedule that insiders and investors track with surgical precision. However, we just received a groundbreaking report that Samsung has officially started mass production on their 8.6 generation OLED lines. This is the critical piece of the puzzle because these specific factory lines were built exclusively for Apple's future professional products. They were originally scheduled to be turned on in the middle of the year, but Samsung flipped the switch in January. In the high-stakes world of global manufacturing, you don't start a massive, multi-billion-dollar factory 6 months early unless your biggest client is screaming for the product to be ready. This confirms that Apple is targeting a launch window that nobody expected, which is late 2026. You might wonder why Apple is rushing this and breaking their traditional 3-year cycle. The answer is simple. Apple is in a state of absolute panic. The current MacBook Pro design is nearly 5 years old. While it was revolutionary in 2021, it is now thick, it is heavy, and it has started to look stale compared to the sleek competition coming from the Windows world. The upcoming M5 chip, which many people are waiting for, is actually nothing more than a minor speed bump. Apple knows that a boring product won't sell in a market where AI-powered Windows laptops are getting thinner, lighter, and faster every single day. They need a halo product, something so visually stunning that it looks like it fell from the future to reclaim their dominance in the creative industry. The M6 is exactly that. It isn't just a faster processor. It is a total reimagining of what a laptop should be, featuring a chassis that is significantly thinner than anything we've seen in the Pro lineup. The specs we are seeing from this early production are absolutely insane and push the boundaries of physics. The centerpiece is the new Tandem OLED screen. This isn't the basic OLED you see on your smartphone or even on high-end TVs. It uses 2 layers of pixels stacked on top of each other to double the brightness and double the lifespan. This technology fixes the 2 biggest problems that have plagued laptops for a decade: peak brightness and the fear of permanent burn-in. We are looking at a staggering 1,600 nits of peak brightness with perfect, infinite contrast. This screen will make every other display on the planet look dull and washed out. Under the hood, the M6 chip will be the first to utilize TSMC's 2nm process, meaning you get a massive jump in battery life and power without the heat. But this creates a dangerous trap for you as a buyer. Apple is a master of marketing, and they're likely going to play a strategic pricing game to maximize their profits. They will likely release the boring M5 soon, just to clear out old parts and satisfy the immediate demand. Then, they will drop the base M6 later this year with the old, thick design to keep the entry price at $1,599. They want to anchor that price in your mind so that when they finally reveal the real M6, the ultra-thin OLED touchscreen monster, they can charge you $2,000 or $2,500, and you will gladly pay it because the jump in quality and design is so massive. This is a classic decoy pricing strategy designed to make the most expensive laptop look like the only one worth buying. This is the biggest shift in MacBook history since the move to Apple Silicon back in 2020. Timeline has moved, the factories are humming in Korea and Taiwan, and the M6 is coming much sooner than anyone predicted. We are talking about a machine that could potentially offer a 30-hour battery life thanks to the efficiency of the 2 nanometers architecture. If you absolutely need a laptop today because your current one is broken or you have a major project, buy what you need. But if you want the real future of computing and a design that won't look old in 12 months, do not touch the M5. Put your money in a high-yield savings account and wait for the end of the year. The leak from Samsung is the smoke, and where there is smoke, there is definitely fire. In my opinion, this is the first time in years that Apple is truly feeling the heat from competitors like Qualcomm and Intel, which is why we are seeing this unprecedented rush to market. A touchscreen OLED Mac with a 2 nanometers chip will be the gold standard for the next decade of mobile computing. It represents the merging of iPad portability with pro-grade power. This isn't just an upgrade. It's the laptop we've been promised for years finally becoming a reality. The wait will be worth it, but only if you have the patience to ignore the M5 hype. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a massive tech update or a supply chain leak. I want to know your take on this touchscreen Mac. Is it a feature you actually want, or is Apple losing its way by adding touch to a laptop after years of saying they never would? Tell me in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.